Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 ways to make money in 2025. That's right, we're talking about securing that bag and living the dream, all while staying ahead of the curve. We're talking life-changing income streams. And the best part? These strategies are accessible to anyone willing to put in the work. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting on your journey, get ready to take some notes. Let's dive in. First up, we're talking about AI. Think about it. AI can analyze data faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. Imagine harnessing that power to predict market trends, automate your investments, and rake in those sweet returns. We're talking about AI-powered trading bots that work for you 24/7, finding the best opportunities while you sleep. AI can also help you create content, generate ideas, and even write entire books. The possibilities are endless. Next up, let's talk about passive income. Imagine waking up every morning with money already in your account, earned while you were catching those Z's. We're talking about investing in dividend stocks, where companies pay you just for holding their shares. We're talking about real estate, where you collect rent every month without lifting a finger. And we're talking about creating online courses or digital products that generate income even while you're on vacation. Imagine having the freedom to travel the world, pursue your passions, and spend more time with loved ones, all while your money works for you. Now, for those of you who like a little more action, let's talk about trading. We're talking about the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, stocks, Forex, and more. The key to successful trading is knowledge and strategy. Remember, trading involves risk, but with the right knowledge and discipline, you can turn those risks into profits. Imagine the thrill of making smart trades, watching your portfolio grow, and achieving financial independence through your own savvy moves. Let's talk about the power of the internet. You can make money by sharing your knowledge and skills with the world through digital products. We're talking about creating ebooks, online courses, software templates, designs. The possibilities are endless. Imagine building a global community around your knowledge, helping others achieve their goals, and earning a comfortable living while doing it. We're all spending time on social media these days, so why not make it work for us? Growing a strong social media presence can open up incredible opportunities to make serious money. We're talking about brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services directly to your engaged followers. Imagine getting paid to post about things you love, collaborating with major companies, and turning your passion project into a full-time income stream. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 ways to make money in 2025 and beyond. It's all about taking action, putting in the work, and staying committed to your goals. Whether you choose to dive into the world of AI, build passive income streams, master the art of trading, create valuable digital product, or grow a powerful social media presence, the most important thing is to start today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more money-making strategies. See you in the next video.